Oh, Wallhack, whoa, Wallhack, Wallhack, SP, that SP, oh, the 005, woo! FragWatch here, unboxing that Wallhack SP-005. I got the CR-005 right here. See how it feels. All right, I'm going to take it out of this giant plastic sleeve. Comes in big plastic sleeve, big plastic case. I know my unboxings are lame for these big-ass products because I don't fucking change my camera. Oh, the fucking warranty tape just, like, fell off. For $130, you can get your fucking tape to stick. Okay, all right. Yeah, I'm going to open this on my lap until I get these straps off. Comes with these big-ass straps on it. Jesus Christ. Is there a better way to do this? They got tear to open. Look at that. Tear to open. Right there. I'll give you guys a little... It's okay. I swear to God I'm capable of this. Another one. I got that one on the first try. I guess if I look at it, it doesn't want to do it. It's like, put that paper bag over your head and I'll open up for you. Okay. Oh man, okay, so it's got 4 pull tabs. Let's see if I can do this without breaking shit. No, not gonna be able to. We'll flip it around. We're working in a limited space here. See how much fucking Red Bull I can spill in one go. Why my fucking voice modifier shit off? I don't know. Okay, I'm going to fucking just take it out. Put it over the CR-005. Holy shit. Can this thing just fucking open for me? Okay. Oh my God. That's good looking. Okay. All right. Slide it. We're sliding. Playing a little game called Slide on That Pad. Let's here, I'll give you a look. That's what it fully looks like. Okay, and I want to see what the difference in these pads feels like. This is a Juan. It actually has like a, it's like it has a lot of like texture. Like, feels really smooth, but there's a lot of drag to it. This, in comparison, feels a lot smoother. How weird is that? This one feels like it has more drag. What? We'll take it up with testing. Okay, let me show you. Get it fully up there now. I got, does it say the fucking edition? Or the number I have? 1601. 1601. We're having fun. Look, here's what else is in this fucking package. We got, I promise you I can do this. Tell you what we have is my watch matching my vest. Yeah. It's cherry right. God, it looks good. Fuck yeah. Look at that. FragWatch indeed. Okay. Back to this. Shit. Mouse skates. I'm not going to open it. Keep it pristine. Okay. Got some stickers. Hope I'm not paying extra for these. We got QR code. I got a cleaning. Oh, damn. That's a nice cleaning cloth. We'll keep that one out. That's very nice. Wow. That's like better than their other ones. Holy shit. What an upgrade. This is a Wallhack. Yeah, look at the upgrade. Like, wow, these are just nice. Okay. Cool. That is the SP-005 unboxing. Keep it short. Keep it simple. I got a lot more shit to unbox today. Catch you guys in the next one. I'll try and do a comparison between the SP-005 the CR-005, and the VA-005 glass pads from Wallhack. You guys take it easy. Catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.